Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Arubit and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a YouTube account channel very fast and simple. Okay, so start, you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment and let's go. Okay, so first what you need to do is enter on the Google and now you must click here and click on the add another account or you will be there for there. I will give a link in the description to this website where you can immediately create account. And now you have here option like create account, so we click on this. You have three options: for myself, for my child, to manage my business. Okay, for myself I choose. Now you must give a name and name. Okay, last name. Now username. Okay. Okay, password you must write. Next. And now, as you can see, my friends, you may add phone number, optional, and recovery email address, optional. It's very good if somebody steals your account, you have an option to recover your account. So remember, it is very good to add this. Okay, gender, male, and next. And you have two options, like choose personalization settings. You may make express personalization or manual personalization. If you want to do it faster, you click on the express personalization. It are option with web, app activity, YouTube history, and add personalization. Okay, go down and now click on the confirm and again confirm, and as you can see we did it. And now to create a channel on YouTube, we go on the YouTube and now here we add account. Okay, so we write email. Let's go. Password. Okay. Okay. Now we go to our account and next you click on the create channel. You click on it, you have option like create channel. Click on this. Now you may make name and upload picture if you want. Okay, create channel. Yep. And as you can see, we created a channel, and yet one the thing important, I think very useful and helpful. You should go to the settings. Now on the channel and here on the future eligibility, and now features that require phone verification. So I mean videos over 15 minutes you need to unlock, so you need to verify phone number. Text me the verification code and later you will get it. And that's all. You did it and you have new channel. So Thanks for watching. You may write a comment, you may leave like and subscribe. If I would help you, like and subscribe. And share to others. And see you next time. Bye bye.